Dealing with cancer and undergoing chemotherapy is a challenging experience that can affect your overall health and physical appearance. One of the most common side effects of chemotherapy is hair loss, which can be a source of distress for many patients. However, there are ways to take care of your hair during chemotherapy to minimize hair loss and promote healthy hair growth. In this video, we will discuss some tips on how to take care of your hair during chemotherapy. Talk to your oncologist. Before starting chemotherapy, it is important to talk to your oncologist about the potential side effects, including hair loss. Your oncologist may be able to recommend medications or treatments that can help reduce hair loss. Avoid heat styling. Heat styling tools such as curling irons, flat irons, and blow dryers can damage your hair and make it more susceptible to breakage. It's best to avoid using these tools altogether during chemotherapy. Use gentle hair products. Look for shampoos, conditioners, and styling products that are free of harsh chemicals and fragrances. These products are less likely to irritate your scalp and cause hair loss. Protect your scalp. During chemotherapy, your scalp may become more sensitive and prone to sunburn. It's important to wear a hat or scarf when you're outside to protect your scalp from the sun. Consider using a cold cap. A cold cap is a device that helps reduce hair loss during chemotherapy. It works by cooling the scalp and reducing blood flow to the hair follicles, which can help prevent damage from chemotherapy drugs. Be gentle when brushing your hair. Use a soft bristled brush or a wide tooth comb to gently detangle your hair. Avoid pulling or tugging on your hair, as this can cause it to break. Get regular trims. Getting regular trims can help prevent split ends and breakage, which can make your hair look thin and lifeless. Talk to your stylist about the best way to maintain your hair during chemotherapy. Use a satin pillowcase. Cotton pillowcases can cause friction and breakage of hair. Using a satin pillowcase can help reduce hair loss and also help maintain the texture of your hair. Be gentle when washing your hair. Wash your hair with lukewarm water and avoid hot water, which can be damaging to your hair. Use gentle, circular motions to massage your scalp and avoid rubbing your hair aggressively. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet can help promote healthy hair growth. Foods rich in protein, iron, and vitamins, such as leafy greens, nuts, and eggs, can help keep your hair strong and healthy. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help keep your hair and scalp hydrated. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Consider using a wig. Wearing a wig can help boost your confidence and help you feel more like yourself during chemotherapy. Talk to your oncologist about resources for obtaining a wig. Experiment with headscarves and hats. Headscarves and hats can be a stylish way to protect your scalp from the sun and cover any hair loss during chemotherapy. Experiment with different styles to find what makes you feel comfortable and confident. Take care of your mental health. Dealing with cancer and chemotherapy can be stressful, which can also affect your hair health. Practice self-care, such as meditation or therapy, to help manage stress and anxiety. Taking care of your hair during chemotherapy can help minimize hair loss and promote healthy hair growth. By following these tips, you can keep your hair looking its best during this challenging time. Remember to be gentle with your hair, avoid harsh chemicals, and talk to your oncologist about any concerns you may have. With the right care, you can maintain your hair and feel confident throughout your cancer treatment. Remember that hair loss during chemotherapy is temporary, and your hair will eventually grow back. By taking care of your hair and yourself during this time, you can minimize hair loss and promote healthy hair growth.